I think that's a very good example of a segment of the ALICE population is individuals who earned their credentials in foreign countries and struggling to find ways on how to rebuild their professional careers. Like the example, in other examples that we typically work with medical professionals, say for example, a nurse who earned their credentials, they're practicing nurses in their home country. But when they come here, if they don't know how to rebuild, how to go about rebuilding their professional career, that is where we come in. We just work with them. There is a credential evaluation. There are established agencies that do an evaluation for US equivalency of their credentials. We help them do that. Sometimes they have to take exams that's required by licensing boards in those professions. We help them to get connected to them and also support them depending on their situation to get the exams and get situated in those jobs. So instead of working in jobs that doesn't utilize those credentials, we help them to transition to full employment jobs.